Well, the next time we see Trayvon Martin's killer will likely be on day one of jury selection for his second-degree murder trial. Today, George Zimmerman told the court that he's waiving his right to a pretrial stand-your-ground hearing. But it doesn't mean that that is off the table. Ryan Raish was inside the courtroom for Zimmerman's final hearing before the trial, and he joins us now live in Sanford. Hi, Ryan.
Yeah, Lynn, ever since this tragedy happened more than a year ago here in Sanford, Florida's stand-your-ground law has been front and center as a possible defense. It sparked outrage and debate across the country, and now today we learned the defense is not going to go down that road, at least not for now.
And that is my concern.
In every way he knows how, defense attorney Mark O'Mara desperately tried to stop Judge Deborah Nelson from quizzing his client.
So I would ask that it be done outside the presence of the state and outside the presence of the media.
The matter at hand, does George Zimmerman fully understand and waive his right to a stand-your-ground hearing before his trial? The state wanted his response on the record, and despite O'Mara's objection, prosecutors got their wish. George Zimmerman raised his right hand and went under oath to answer about a dozen yes or no questions.
Is it your decision not to have a pretrial immunity hearing?
After a couple breaks and strategy sessions, it became official.
After a consultation with my counsel, yes, Your Honor.
Zimmerman waived his right for a pretrial immunity hearing where a judge could have dropped the charges if she felt the stand-your-ground defense applies. O'Mara explained their reasoning after today's hearing.
The reality is we've made a tactical decision how to handle this case, and George wants his case before a jury of his peers. That's where he's going to get acquitted.
The defense indicated it may still ask for stand-your-ground immunity during the trial. The decision does not change the overall strategy at the defense table. They still claim that Zimmerman, a neighborhood watch volunteer, shot unarmed Trayvon Martin in self-defense. The most talked about trial since Casey Anthony is now less than 6 weeks away.
Are you ever truly ready for a trial like this? I don't know. If the judge tells us we're trying this on June 10th, and so far that's what she's told us, we'll be there ready to pick a jury starting June 10th.
Attorney Mark O'Mara there told reporters that he would love a couple more months to prepare for this trial, but said he will be ready for the start of jury selection on June 10th. The trial is expected to run about 6 weeks, and half of that will be for jury selection. Live tonight in Sanford, Ryan Raish, ABC Action News.